I kind of messed up and didn't let you see completely that connection in the water heater before, so let's do it here. As I explained, when the water heater is running, producing heat to heat the water, of course the fumes of the water heater will come out here in this stack, this chimney, and go up across and come into this flange right there. And as you see, there is opening there. With the potential to let fumes back out of that stack. I'll show you with the screwdriver. And of course you saw the light leaking around inside there, indicating that opening. See how that screwdriver is able to go in there with plenty of space, showing that even the water heater leaks. And of course here, I'll show you with this. That's me inserting the screwdriver through that space right there where the fumes of the furnace can come out. Alright, I hope you understand that this is a violation of common sense and code. And as a consequence, we have people injured. And in this case, the occupant of this apartment, Reese Hogle, for several winters since he moved in here, has been affected when the conditions are right with the furnace running or the water heater running, and the fumes are able to easily come into this space. Well, the conditions are just about any time either one of these units are functioning, either the furnace or the water heater. There we go. Just so you know where you're at. We're here in apartment 2. Bedroom right here adjacent. And of course, the furnace closet is not outside of the apartment, but part of it. There's the bathroom next to it. So whatever fumes were drafted into this space, of course, as we showed you earlier, could be easily drawn around the openings around the furnace blower and mixed in with the air, the breathing air of the apartment.